Hi there, today going to learn about how to create a text marquee effect in our Wix Studio website. So here I am in Wix Studio. I'm using a blank page, and then from here we can customize the section. Let's click grid layout, and then let's click these two rows right here, and then we can split this into 4 rows. So what we can do, click this first row, split it horizontally, and click the second row and split it horizontally as well. So if you want to adjust the size of the rows, we can go here, and then we can just click on equalize horizontally, and then from here we can add our text. So let's go to add elements, click on text marquee, and then you can just drag this into our website. And then from here we can make sure that it is aligned to the vertical center, and then we can stretch this like that. Then from here you can choose some different options for your text. You can change the font style right here, and then the font size. You can change the max and minimum, and you can change the color if you want. You can make this bold, and then you can change the separator and movement. Our separator is this arrow image right here, and then our text direction of our text marquee is from left to right. And then we can just duplicate this in order to add it to our different rows. Just change this to fixed, move it right here, align it to the center, and then stretch it again. And then from here we can change the text. For example, free returns. Then let's open the inspector tool again. We can change this into a different color, let's say blue, and then the separator will be blue as well. You can change the shape, just click on it, and then you can have different shapes right here. You can also search for other shapes, and if you have your own shape, you can upload your own image right here, but for now we'll just this one. So like that, you can change the size of your shape, and then let's change the movement from right to left. Then you can also change the speed if you want. And then let's duplicate this again, and then we'll cover the last 2 rows. Again, let's duplicate this. Example, money back guarantee. And let's stretch this, and then change the font style, maybe like that. And then we can change the color again, like this, and the separator. Maybe there's some other styles right here. Maybe we can just choose from the shapes we have right here. Even this one. Change the shape size, and then our movement will be from left to right. And from here, the last one, you can change it again, from right to left. Let's decrease the speed, and then the separator, change it to this one. Then maybe let's make it into like a green color. Click on apply, and then change the shape is like that. The font, change it like this. Change the font style as well. And then let's change the text. And then from here, we just click on preview. And then now we have our text marquee. You can see that some texts are moving fast and slow depending on the settings that we did. And then we have our different font styles and text styles right here. And then that is how you create your text marquee in Wix Studio. And thank you for watching.